the center of the storm is now making its way off the east coast of Florida into the Atlantic, and there is a bit of a sigh of relief this morning that the impact of this hurricane, the second in as many weeks, was not as bad as initially predicted, although the devastating effects, of course, still affecting many across the state of Florida. 3 million people are without power this morning. An unprecedented 70% of those in the area in Tampa, the Tampa Bay area, have been left without power. And now water rescues really can get underway now that damage crews can get out and assess the damage and, fell trees to get into access roads. But at the moment, authorities are still asking people who are sheltering in place to remain in place until that damage assessment can be done. There was a massive amount of rainfall across Florida last night around Tampa. Around 6 months worth of rain fell in the space of just a few hours. There are still places that are up to 3 or so feet underwater where these rescue efforts are now taking place. So still a massive amount of water there, which the National Weather Service earlier in the before Milton hit said that it could take about a week for this water to drain away. So these storm surges then pushing that water inland, some of it still impacting areas which normally do not see flooding. So it is still a very real and present danger as well. We're also learning that there have been multiple fatalities in St. Lucie County, which is north of Palm Beach, which is on the eastern coast of Florida. That happening yesterday on Wednesday as a tornado ripped through that part of the state as the outer band of Milton made its way across before landfall. So a lot of devastation across central Florida, but the damage assessment really just starting to be done.